So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to exchange currency on the Webull Canada application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom bar and in between watch list and markets, press on the deposit button right in the middle. Once you're here at the top on this blue bar, it says assets, orders, transfers, history, and documents. I want you to go right to the middle here and press on transfers located between history and orders. So press on transfers. Then about 3 options down, it says currency exchange. I want you to go ahead and press on that right here. Now what you can actually do is exchange your currency, in this case from Canadian to US or vice versa from US to Canadian. So for example, it shows the dollar exchange right here. So if you wanted to do maybe $100 Canadian, that would be equivalent to $71.28 USD, and vice versa. If you wanted to maybe give $100 American, it does $135.78 in Canadian currency. So super simple, super straightforward. Once that is done, press on exchange now, and there you go. But that is how to exchange currency on the Webull Canada application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.